Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the bank nifty target and what is the nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end.
So let's jump into the market. Today Nifty Bank has lost 8 points, means wherever the Nifty 50 has opened, it almost ends at the same point and it has ended at 33,714 points. So it's almost a sideways market, it's a doji formation today. Let us see who has majorly contributed for the sideways of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 56 points for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty. ICICI Bank has contributed 1 point. It's a sideways market, and HDFC Bank has contributed for the downtrend of the Bank Nifty, which is of 31 points. It's again the sideways market. If you see these two banks, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, are in sideways, so the Bank Nifty is also in the sideways. As I say in every video, if you are unpredictable about the trend of the Bank Nifty, you can check the trend of the ICICI Bank trend and HDFC Bank trend. If HDFC Bank trend and ICICI Bank trend are in uptrend, Bank Nifty will also be in uptrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank trends are in downtrend, Bank Nifty will also be in downtrend. If ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank trends are in sideways, Bank Nifty will also be in sideways. This is an example of the today's market where the Bank Nifty is in sideways market. Yep, this is the crucial point for the new traders. Please keep this in mind when you're trading in the Bank Nifty, and whenever you are trading, you are unpredictable about the trend of the Bank Nifty at any point of time, at any point of trading day. You can check the trend of these two banks, ICICI Bank and ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, because these two banks majorly contribute almost 70 to 80% of the contribution for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty or downtrend of the Bank Nifty or sideways of the Bank Nifty. Okay, so now let me share the results of the given news yesterday for today's trade under the Bank Nifty. So yesterday Bank Nifty was closed at 33,662 points, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 33,900, and I had given the buy call at 33,810. Let us assume we have taken the buy call at 33,950. So from 33,950, it's almost made a high of 33,284. So it's almost 300 points. Hope you guys book at least 100 points, 50 points, 200 points in the Bank Nifty today. And again, our sell call was also triggered here at 33,520. From 33,520, it made a low of 33,310. Again, 200 points here. Hope you guys book at least 200 points in the downtrend of the Bank Nifty also, yeah, if you are active in the market. And as I said, from 34,200, 34,200, so the Bank Nifty is again fell down. So always don't underestimate the power of the technicals, because don't be anxiety to take the trade. Today the Bank Nifty is almost a sideways, so you must be very irritated to take the trade. Yes, don't be irritated, don't be anxiety about the taking the trade of the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has to fall under our levels only at any point of time, because we are giving the analysis purely based on technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, so if you see this, it's almost a sideways market and a premium eating day today, because of expiry. Hope you guys, if you have taken any if you have taken and hold the options today, it's almost a premium eating day. It eats your premium. Yeah. That's why I'm saying you should always be active in the market, where we don't know, we can't predict whenever the Bank Nifty will changes its trends from uptrend or from the downtrend of the market. Yeah. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today Bank Nifty was closed at 33,664 points, and yesterday also Bank Nifty was closed at 33,662, and today Bank Nifty was closed at 33,664. Yeah. So our buy call will be activated for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty. Tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Our buy call will be activated at 33,810 for the Bank Nifty target of 33,992, for the Bank Nifty target of 34,142, 34,262, 34,350, 34,430, 34,570, 34,660, 34,760, 34,840, 35,000, 35,080, and the final Bank Nifty target of 35,232. These are the Bank Nifty targets of tomorrow. So here you should be very active, you should be very careful here at 34,010 and 34,186 and 34,365. Once 34,365 breaks, it can go up to 34,700, 34,800, even 35,000 also you can able to see if 34,365 breaks and sustains above this level. Yeah, there may be a chance of getting reversal from here, from this point at 34,200, 34,186, 34,200. If 34,186, 200 breaks, it can go 34,365, and once 34,365 breaks, it can go up to 34,700, 34,800. Yeah, these are the crucial points in the uptrend of the Bank Nifty. And once, if Bank Nifty opens as a gap up above this level, wait till it crosses this level. And if it opens above this level, wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the trade here. Yes, don't be over excited to take the trade immediately whenever the gap up happens, because we can't predict. There may be chance of getting reversal of the trend immediately when the gap up was happened. Okay, so you should be very active in the market. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow for the downtrend of the Bank Nifty. So our sell call will be activated for the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction. Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow would be, our sell call will be activated at 33,525 for the Bank Nifty target of 33,433, for the Bank Nifty target of 33,395, for the Bank Nifty target of 33,290, 33,225, 33,145, 33,075, 32,985, 32,865, 32,820, 32,708, 32,587, 32,506, 32,404, 32,352, 32,195, 32,050, and the final Bank Nifty target of 31,940. These are the Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow for the downtrend of the Bank Nifty. Here you should be very careful. There may be chance of getting reversal of the trend from 33,076 and 32,850, 32,750, 32,506. Yeah, once 33,076 is break and sustains below this level, it can go up to 32,850. Once it breaks, it can go up to 32,750. Once 32,750 breaks, this is the major crucial point. There may be higher chance of getting reversal from this point, from 32,750. If 32,750 breaks, it can go up to 32,506. Means once 32,750 breaks, the downtrend is confirmed in the Bank Nifty. Okay, so for that particular point of trading day, hope you guys noted down the levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video, note down the levels, and be stick to the levels which was given in the video. Don't be over excited to take the trade. Be patient, be calm. That Bank Nifty has to fall under our levels only, because we are giving the analysis purely based on the technical analysis, not on any assumptions. Okay, so now let me share the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. So once Bank Nifty has processed this which is of 33,810, you can buy the strike price of 33,800 CE. And once the Bank Nifty has processed this level, you can once the Bank Nifty has processed this which is of 33,538, 33,540, you can buy the strike price of 33,500 PE. Okay. So our Bank Nifty options for tomorrow would be 33,500 PE and 33,800 CE. These are the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. And if you are looking for the Bank Nifty options for next week for the swing trading, you can take the strike price of 33,600 CE and 33,600 PE. Sorry, it's a 33,700 CE and 33,600 PE. Okay, if you are looking for the Bank Nifty options for next week for the swing trading, you can buy the strike price of 33,600 PE and 33,700 CE. Okay, and wait till 6th May expiry day. You can check the magic there. Okay, you can take it one lot enough if you want to try. Yes, thank you.
If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding.